Alright, well, a good place to start in any CAD program is just getting it set up for your own needs. So with that, there are several settings within FreeCAD that will allow you to set it up to your preferences. Now, fortunately, I think that FreeCAD is set up pretty well right off the bat for use as a CAD program for 3D printing. One of the things that I often insist on using is metric units, since pretty much everything on 3D printers seems to be in metric, and that's the way I usually like operating anyway. So whenever I look into a CAD program, I ensure that the units are in metric system, and you can see that by default FreeCAD actually does that. Probably one of the other key aspects of it, however, is going to be how you control it. So underneath the display preferences, you're going to see something for 3D navigation. Now, I have not quite found anything that mirrors exactly what is in Fusion. I may have to dig deeper to see if there's a way to actually select your own custom control scheme, but for now I'm using the CAD scheme. And if you have any questions about how any of these operate, you can click on the mouse button here, and it will give you a rundown of what each of the basic operations are and how they are performed using the given control scheme. With that, then I believe that there really aren't that many things that you need to change within FreeCAD, because I believe the defaults suit very well for 3D printing related CAD. You can go in and dig a little bit deeper, but this is a real high overview of the preferences just to get you started. And that's that for this particular video.